This code demonstrates how to use PLC4X to read data from a simulated PLC device and write this data into the CnosDB database. First, the code setups the connection information for CnosDB, including the username, password, database name, host, and port. Then, it uses PLC4X Connection Manager to obtain a simulated PLC connection. Next, the code executes the read request and retrieves the value of the FOO tag from the PLC device. Finally, the code constructs an HTTP request to write into CnosDB, sending the retrieved data in a specific format to the write API endpoint of CnosDB. The entire process can be summarized as: first, configure the CnosDB connection information. Second, obtain a simulated PLC connection using PLC4X. Third, create and execute a PLC data read request. Last, format the retrieved data and write it to CnosDB via an HTTP request. Now, let's run the program. We see that the program has run successfully, generated a value, and wrote it into CnosDB. Now, let's take a look at the data stored in CnosDB. Here we see the value that was just written into CnosDB through PLC4X. So that's all. That's all for our courses today.